Discover what dreams are made of at U Club on 28th, the perfect student accommodation in the heart of Boulder. These lavish 2- and 4-bedroom apartments are complete with premium hardwood floors, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher for easy cleanup, a stackable washer and dryer for breezy laundry days, and a full-size bed for restful snoozes. Sweat it out in the state-of-the-art fitness center with strength and cardio equipment. With several educational, social, and recreational activities, you'll make friends from all over the globe. Focusing made simple with an academic success center, IMAX, enhanced privacy floor plans, speedy Wi-Fi included in your rent, and a private study lounge. Dive into the sparkling pool for a splash or unwind with a soak in the hot tub. Getting to class is super quick with the University of Colorado Boulder just a stroll away, while Regis University is a short drive away. Explore the city effortlessly with Baseline Road and Broadway bus stops a few minutes away. So, book your spot at U Club on 28th Boulder, now with amberstudent.com.